Welcome back to the Link Technologies YouTube channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the LtAP LR8 LTE kit, a rugged all-in-one IoT gateway built for versatility and reliability. Inside, it features a 2.4 GHz wireless access point, Gigabit Ethernet, built-in GPS, 2 LTE antennas, and LoRa support through a mini PCIe slot. You can power it using DC, PoE, automotive, or even a 20,000 mAh power bank, making it perfect for on-the-go applications. This device makes IoT simple and practical. Track assets, monitor systems, and collect real-time data with low-power LoRa sensors, all sent to the cloud via high-speed LTE. With 3 MiniSIM slots, optional external antennas, GPS expansion, and full support for the Things network. Setup is fast, flexible, and scalable for farms, logistics, smart cities, and more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates here on the Link Technologies YouTube channel.